So I was diving into this amazing library called pdfplumber that extracts detailed information from PDFs. You can literally plumb a PDF.
Wait, seriously, plumb a PDF? That sounds wild. What kind of details are we talking about?
I know, right? It can extract text, tables, even visual elements like rectangles and lines. It's like a treasure hunt for data.
That's pretty cool. So, does it work best with scanned documents, or is it better suited for machine-generated PDFs?
Great question. It actually works best on machine-generated PDFs. Scan ones, not so much.
Interesting. I guess that makes sense. But how does it actually extract all this information?
It uses PDF Miner 6 under the hood, which parses the PDF layout. Then PDF Plumber builds on that to give you higher level access.
Oh, so it's like a layer on top of PDF Miner. Does it provide visual debugging tools too?
Exactly, you can visualize the extracted tables and lines on the PDF itself, which is super handy for troubleshooting.
That's a game changer, so you can see where it's detecting tables. How does that work?
It identifies lines and intersections to determine where tables are located, then it groups cells together.
So it's kind of like constructing a puzzle from the pieces it finds on the page.
Exactly, and it can even join lines if they're close enough. There's a lot of customization too, depending on how you want to extract data.
Customization sounds key. What if it misreads the structure? Can you adjust the settings?
Totally, you can tweak settings like tolerance for snapping lines together or specify explicit lines to guide it.
That's a great feature, but what about form fields? Can it handle those too?
Yes, but it's not super straightforward. You have to dig into the underlying PDF miner methods to access form data.
Sounds a bit complex. Is there any user-friendly way to handle forms with PDF Plumber?
You can write a custom function to extract fields into a dictionary, which makes it easier to manage.
That makes sense. I'd love to see a practical example of how it works in code.
Absolutely. For instance, you can load a PDF, access the pages, and extract text or tables with just a few lines of code.
That sounds really efficient. So, what about comparing PDF Plumber with other libraries?
Good point. PDF Plumber stands out because it combines detailed object access with visual debugging and customizable extraction.
Interesting, but what are some limitations? I imagine there must be a catch.
Absolutely, it doesn't support PDF generation or modification, and it lacks strong OCR capabilities for scanned documents.
That's a notable downside. So, it's really best for clean digital documents.
Right, if you have messy scanned documents, you might need to look at OCR solutions first.
Got it. I can see why it would be a preferred choice in data extraction tasks. What's your favorite feature?
I love the visual debugging. It makes it so much easier to understand how the data is structured on the page.
I can imagine. It's like having a clear map while navigating through the PDF jungle.
Exactly, and you can even create images of the pages to visualize where objects are detected.
That's super useful. It really sounds like a powerful tool for data scientists.
For sure, plus it's open source, so the community often contributes improvements and features.
Community-driven development is always a plus. What's the best way to get started with PDF Plumber?
Just install it via pip and you're good to go. Plenty of examples and documentation online to help.
Sounds great. I'm definitely going to check it out. Any last thoughts?
Just that it's a great tool to have in your toolkit if you work with PDFs regularly. You won't regret it.
Awesome. I can't wait to explore its capabilities and see what I can extract.
Let's plan to share our findings after we play around with it. Who knows what insights we'll find?
Definitely. I'm excited to see how it enhances our data extraction projects.